So hi everyone, I'm Qayyum and in this video we will going to learn that using a shell script how we can temporarily switch to a particular directory. Okay. So for example, if you want to do some work like delete some files from another directories, okay, or truncate those files or making archives using the tar command which are present on the another directory. Okay. So in that case, you can create a simple shell script. In that shell script, we can use pushd and popd linux commands. Okay, so using these two commands we can add those directories into a stack, and then using pop we can remove those directory from the stack. Okay, so we can also do that the same thing with the cd command also. We can do with the cd then the directories. Okay, and then if you want to get outside the directory, okay, after our operation whatever the operation will be, so we can get out from that directory using cd hyphen. Okay, so in this video we are going to see some examples using that using push d and pop d and cd hyphen. So these commands will useful for temporary accessing another directories. Okay, or we can say that temporary changing the current directory to the another directory. Okay, so let's see that we are in the current. Okay, so here we will first create a shell script. Okay, then we will change the permission to the 777. Then now we have created. Now we will going to add. First of all, let me see that what is our current directory. Okay, root test. Okay, so now we will edit the test.sh file. Okay, so we are inside the editor. Now first of all, we will switch current directory to target directory. Okay, or say to desired desired directory. Okay, using push d, right? And and we can return to our current directory using popd, right? So in this way we can do. So let's say that we are using pushd, then the directory we want to go, so we want to go inside the folder. Okay, so that's why I'm mentioning folder. Currently we are in the test directory, right? So now for only messaging purpose I'm mentioning switch to switch to switch to 2, right? And here mention pwd, right? So it will show us, it will going to show us the current directory. Okay, after the push d operation, right? And if you want to get outside the desired directory we can use popd. Okay, so it will return us to our original current shell directory, right? Here also I will mention back to pwd, right? So this is how we can switch to a particular directory using the push d. Okay, and then get back to our current directory using popd operation. Now let's see. Now we are going to try to execute the test sh and then see what it will give us. So you can see here that using the push d operation we we switch the current directory to the folder directory. Okay, and after the execution of the popd operation, popd command, we get back to our pwd or say current working directory. Let me show you. So this is our current working directory. We're back to our current working directory. Okay, so in this way we can temporarily switch to our working directory, change to a desired directory, right? Again again we will create a next script. Okay, and then also change mod. So this will for the For taking an example of cd and cd hyphen, right? It will also work with the same principle of the push d and pop d operation. So let's get inside the st1.sh, and here we will create the same what we have created in the push d and pop d example also. So we can switch to desired directory using cd command, okay? Cd then directory, right? And get back, okay, get back to current working directory using cd hyphen, right? So let's see. So we want to get inside the folder directory, right? So let me show you that. Switch to pwd. It will show us the desired directory, right? And after this, we can simply cd hyphen, right? Again after it also we will back to pwd, right? So this is all same with the push d operation, okay? So cd will work as push d and cd hyphen will work as pop d operation here, okay? So let's see that how it works. Test1.sh. So guys, you can see that it working like the push d and pop d operation, okay? So you can see that when we use cd, then the working directory it's showing us the desired directory, okay? So we want to go to the folder directory, it shows us, okay? Switch temporary to the folder directory, and when we use cd hyphen, it get back us to our current working directory, right? So this is our current working directory. So in this way guys, we can use pushd and popd operation or say commands to get to a desired directory temporarily using a shell script. You can also do in your examples. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.